guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. I am back from the 2024 Raleigh Hamfest, Rars Fest, and I want Hamfest to continue to be a thing as we go on. And in order to do that, if you go back to my video about the future of ham radio, or is ham radio dead, we really need to get people interested. And I think that's, part of the problem, maybe not all of the problem. I think a lot of it is we're aging out of this era in our lives. But I think that big issue, we need to work on that more as a group, as a society, as our clubs, as our passion. We need to get more people interested. And the best way, if I'm going to be honest, to get people interested, other than straight up giving them radios, is to invite them, to make them aware of things like Rars Fest. If you're interested in getting people interested in radio, that's a great opportunity for them to come down and see the wide variety of cool radio gear. Whether it's vintage tube AM radios, whether it's pocket radios like I have, I don't know where mine are. Yeah, like these type of pocket radios here that I love playing with and listening to the clear channels late at night. Whether it's CB radio, the simple $1 CB radios, or $5 CB radios, or $50 sideband CB radios, or base stations, or vintage computers, which I love but don't cover enough on this channel. It's a great opportunity for someone who's never been exposed to that stuff to get down there and see that in person, and tell them to bring some cash. They might walk away with some cool toys that they can play with and share with their friends. That's it for today. I will see you next time. Take care.